There's a deer right there.
Yeah, he's just laying there.
Yeah.
What's up, boy? He's got antlers. Look at him. He's in velvet right now. He's going to be a giant come fall. Damn. He'll probably end up close to 10 easily.
He is not even phased. Where's my camera? My phone. My phone camera.
Look at him. Get him nice.
There you go.
Good, good. All right.
And he got a stomach on him.
Oh, these are so hot. I was going to say, you don't want to use
Show it.
no hot. Hey.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. But almost.
It would have just tail whipped you.
Nice. Damn. Oh, real nice. That's right there by your feet, Mike. You threw out there. That's a nice one. Well, there's a bunch of fry snakes back up in there.
Damn, he's angry.
Nice fish.
Oh, there goes part of my worm.
Oh, there? That's a nice one.
The trickworm.
Oh, black trickworm?
Yep.
When he was catching one?
Oh yeah, let me just swallow the out of it.
Nice one, Dave. If you were catching them on it, Dave, you probably have pyramid.
Oh, I really screwed that up. Damn, those are hot. Wow. Oh my god. Can I have your pliers? These are scorching hot. Wow. Damn, I can't even hold them.
Good job. That's a good one, man. Right. Black to do that.
I'm gonna have to leave the hook in, man. I can't get it out.
Good one, Dave. Oh.
Got a bleeder.
Got him. Damn. Oh, he come off. Oh, yeah. It's a little blue deal. Again. Boy, getting sucker punched in the back of the head. Dude, that one hit me in the face. You're like, oh, he's pretty. Dude, they were landing on my ear when we were trying to bury
Oh, hey, there's some rocks right there, man, so we're ready.
Hey, there's a net in the boat, guys. That's a nice one, bro.
Yeah, grab that net.
That's a big fish.
Here, I got it. Swim them over to you. Nice. Oh, put the net up.
Lift the fuck.
God damn.
Okay, I'll bring that fish in.
Nice. God. I gotta cut this one off too.
Alright, there we go. I didn't get some nice ones on that worm, man. But then it's got the bag right here.
Can somebody try to get this hook out? Somebody who knows what they're doing, unlike me.
This way, and let me see what I can do.
Is buried.
Oh, dude, just push it down.
I'm a baby, man.
Dude, you can get that real.
I'm a big baby.
Let it push it down. First, you grab your worm. That is probably easy. Hey, push it down.
Hey, you don't have to roast me, man. I admit, I suck at doing this, okay?
That's like #1 rule. Dude, we gotta get a picture, man. Chris, get a picture with Dave on your phone. We can't.
You mean me and Chris together? That's what you want a picture of?
No, I mean, what's up, baby? How you doing?
That rock looks good right there, all the way down. If you have to cut it off, I get it.
Dude, here. The worm is.
It's a good looking fish, man. It's got a red eye. When Chris is done fingering my fish.
We're catching fish. Oh.
okay. I'll edit it. Put some music over it. Some dramatic music. Okay, well,
Dude, this is nothing. You know, Chris?
that's the only problem with these trick worms, man. Sometimes you gotta let them get them.
See, that's big, man. My worm would have worked. You see?
Got it. Oh, Chris, you ruined the whole trip. The entire trip.
Come on, man.
The entire trip.
Okay, let go of the hook.
I'm just kidding. I don't care. It don't bother me. I don't.
I do. I am so sorry.
He was just like,
well, I got Mike sitting there. He's gonna die. I am so sorry.
It's all right, man. I don't care. Hey, the stupidest was whenever I took all that time rigging up my swim bait, then I threw it out the boat, thought it was already. Oh yeah. Okay. That was pretty dumb.
That was the stupidest thing.
Well, we could have had a net. That would have helped.
I would have rather flipped it than grab the line. Flipping it, you would have a chance. You grabbing the line, you have no chance.
I told you I didn't know what I obviously wasn't thinking.
Should have. Hey, that's a good fish, man. It was a damn good fish. And I am sorry that happened.
Dude, that one that I had on at whatever, it was no less than 5 pounds. There's no way it was less than 5 pounds. I'm gonna stand by that decision to call it that. Okay, let's get on the fish, man. Let's go.
Dude, they're worth it. He's cast like 5 times.
Put one on. The only thing I might be low on is hooks. I think I have like 5 1/0, so that's what I'm trying to save them.
I told you they were in my bag.
I'll be in the middle. Yeah, I do too, man. It's not a big lake though, so you should be alright. Might want to check your bulb at some point. Yeah, you're the only one on this boat that has a bulb. God, this bank looks amazing. I'm not buying into the weightless crap. I think he's just pulling our chain.
Well, it could have been just with earth wrong. I'm kind of mad I took that divine thing on. This thing, not good. Huh? You got a split shot?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude.
There we go.
Dave's on fire.
I think I do. Yeah, I do. They're in a... I'll get it.
Thank you. That's pretty
Oh.
Dave, you're on fire with that little thing, man.
The problem is I can't get my own fucking bait off.
Well, crack it.
Oh my god. It's all the way down again.
That's just because they're eating it. That's all it is.
Do you mind?
If that repeatedly keeps happening, it's because they're eating it. They're probably getting it on the fall.
I'm guessing...
And you're just not staying on top of it.
Yeah. I'm just a dumb who doesn't know how to do this very well.
Ooh, that one you might have to cut.
That's a small fish, so it's not going to be so easy. I don't mind cutting it off, man. Here, take this. He's already bleeding. Yeah, you're your man. Want a picture with that one?
No.